The EcoFlow Solar Generator Delta Max 2000 2060 modules with 220-watt solar panel is a highly efficient solar power station kit that offers fast solar charging, allowing you to fully charge it in just 9.2 hours with a single 220-watt panel. This solar power station boasts a large capacity of 2,016 watt-hours, enabling it to serve as an outdoor generator or an indoor backup power source, keeping your appliances running for hours. It is a clean, green, and quiet alternative to traditional gas generators, eliminating fumes and noise while offering portability and renewable charging, compatible with both EcoFlow solar panels and select third-party models. With the innovative X-Boost technology, the Delta Max can power almost all your home appliances and devices up to 3,400 watts, making it an excellent choice for power outages, camping, or RV trips. The product features a lightweight and waterproof 220-watt double-sided solar panel that is foldable and compact, weighing only 21 pounds, and is 5 times more durable than similar solar panels due to its thin tempered glass design with an IP68 rating for water resistance and dustproofing. The EcoFlow app allows you to monitor and control your portable power station from afar, while the internal battery management system ensures your safety.